Hello, doctors and physicians and other people in the medical field. I've got some good news for you. There are a couple of lenders that do offer a special mortgage for doctors, physicians, and other healthcare workers that work in the industry. And first, let me give you a few examples of the types of workers in the industry that potentially could qualify for this type of mortgage. And this is just not a complete list, it's just an example. If you would like to know whether it would fit for you and whether you would qualify, please follow the link in the first pinned comment. Also, if you like the video, please hit that like button for us. Thanks. So now you could be a nurse, a dentist, chiropractor, podiatrist, optometrist, a physician's assistant, a pharmacist. So there are many veterinarians. So there are many different types of individuals who could qualify for this special mortgage. These mortgages are not conventional loans. They are not FHA loans. They're not that type of mortgage. They are mortgages that lenders are offering that they are keeping within their portfolio or selling them to investors. So they don't qualify for the other types of programs, because the lenders are bending the rules for you. And so one of the biggest things that, or benefits that you will realize from this type of program is there will be no down payment for you up to a certain loan amount, and that is subject to change. Right now it's set at $1 million, a $1 million purchase. You can purchase one of those homes that costs that much, and if you qualify for the program, there's no down payment requirement. If it's a more expensive home, then you may have a small down payment that the lender will ask you for, but it's going to be much less than if you were applying for a traditional jumbo loan. So now here's the other great part about this, is these loans do not have PMI. And private mortgage insurance is something that is required on conventional loans when you put less than 20% down. Well, these mortgages don't have PMI. So now you've got that monthly savings. And even if the lender quotes you a rate that may be just a little bit higher than what you may have gotten from a traditional mortgage, the fact that you don't have the PMI component to your payment means that your monthly payment still may be lower than if you didn't get a doctor loan. So that's a huge advantage right there. Now, the other thing that you need to understand is that if you've got student loans that are outstanding, but they're deferred for at least the next 12 months, then those payments, or that's the student loan, won't count against you within the DTI calculation. And that's huge too, because we know that people that are in the medical field often have a huge balance for student loans, medical school, and that's not cheap, and that would make it very difficult to qualify for the mortgage that you're looking for. But again, if you're deferred for at least the next 12 months, you don't have to count that payment during the qualification process. You can get gift funds also if there is a small down payment asked of you, or if you need help with the closing costs, you can get gift funds from a direct relative. Seller contributions. You can get seller contributions up to 6% of the loan amount, which is another huge help, especially if maybe you have the opportunity to buy the rate down. If the lender offers that, buy it down with a point or two, you can potentially get the seller to cover that for you, which is a huge benefit. These programs are available in 30-year fixed and maybe even a short-term 3 or 5 year ARM. Now, look, you don't have to go for this program. If you'd like, you can still apply for a conventional loan. You can still apply for an FHA loan if that's what you need, because if you have poor credit, you might not qualify for this program. So if you do have poor credit, we'd be able to help you with an FHA loan, which allows for credit scores all the way down to 500 with a small down payment. So in any case, if you'd like to talk more about this program, you want to see if you qualify, maybe get a quote, just follow the link in the first pinned comment. Please hit that like button for us. If you're watching this on the website, just request a quote through the button that's right below the video. Appreciate you watching. Thanks for watching again, and I hope you have a great day.